In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate page in Wix editor. This is a simple process in Wix, and it is useful when you want to create a new page that keeps the same layout, design, or structure as an existing one. Duplicating a page can save time because you do not need to rebuild the same sections from scratch. Instead, you can make a copy and then customize it however you want. To begin, go to the left sidebar inside the Wix editor. This is where Wix stores the pages for your site, along with any menu items connected to them. Once that panel opens, you will see a list of the pages currently on your website. Next, find the page that you want to copy. Move your cursor over that page name so the available options appear. When you hover over the page, look for the three dots icon. This is the Show More menu, and it gives you access to extra page actions. Click the three dots, and a drop-down menu will open. From that list, select Duplicate. Wix will then create a copy of that page for you. This is especially helpful if you are building similar pages, such as service pages, landing pages, or pages that need the same overall design with only small changes. After selecting Duplicate, you will be asked to type a name for the new page. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if your site has multiple pages with similar content. A clear page name will help you stay organized while editing and managing your site. Once you enter the new name, the duplicated page will be added to your page list. From there, you can open it and begin making any edits you need. Keep in mind that the duplicate starts as a copy of the original, so it is a good idea to review the content and update anything that should be different on the new version. That is the full process for duplicating a page in Wix editor. Open Pages in menu, hover over the page you want to copy, click the three dots, choose Duplicate, and name the new page. That covers everything you need to know.